Hey everyone, today is a very special day for the Android community. If you've been following the latest tech news, you know that the hype for Android 16 is real. But why wait for an official update that might take months or may never even come to your device, when we can take matters into our own hands right now? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Evolution X ROM based on Android 16. Now, I'm using my OnePlus 9R for this demonstration. But here's the best part. The method I'm showing you today is a universal logic. Whether you're on a OnePlus, a Xiaomi, or a Pixel or other, the core steps of flashing recovery and sideloading the ROM are almost identical. So, even if you don't have this exact phone, stay tuned because this guide is for you. Let's start the installation process before we dive into the how-to. First, prerequisites. You need an unlocked bootloader. If your bootloader is locked, don't worry, I have made videos about unlocking bootloader for all brands of phones. You can check this playlist by visiting my channel. Go unlock it. Now head over to your settings, scroll down, and tap on About Phone. Here, you're looking for the build number. Now, give that build number 7 quick taps. You'll see a pop-up notification saying, "You are now a developer." Perfect. Now, back out and go to System, then Developer Options. In here also, and this is crucial, ensure USB debugging is toggled on. This allows our secondary phone to send commands to the phone. Alright, let's get our files. Open up your browser and head over to the official Evolution X website. The UI here is pretty clean. You'll want to go to the Downloads or Devices. Here, you will see a list where you will see phones of almost all companies. Select your company. For example, my phone is OnePlus. I select OnePlus now, search for your specific device model. For me, it's the OnePlus 9R, codename Lemonades. Once you find your device page, you'll see several versions. Look for the one explicitly mentioning Android 16. Now, this is important. You will get an option, How to Install, tap on it, and here is the complete installation guide. So, if you want, you can also read it by pausing the video. Go back, download the ROM file. Don't just download the big ROM file. For a clean installation, you need the supporting images. You'll see links for the boot image, the DTBO image, the recovery image, and the VB meta image. Download all 4 of these small files along with the main ROM zip file. Having these specific images ensures that your partitions are matched perfectly to the new OS, preventing those annoying boot loops. Now, we need to enter fast boot mode. Power off your device completely. Once it's off, hold down the power button and volume down simultaneously. You'll feel a vibration and then, boom, you're in the fast boot interface. You'll see some technical text on a black screen. This is where the magic happens. Just set the phone down for a second. We're moving over to our master phone now. Now, you're going to need a second Android phone and an OTG cable. Why? Because we're doing this entire process without a PC. It's faster, more portable, and honestly, a lot less prone to driver issues. On your second phone, the one we're using as our PC replacement, you need an app called Bugjaeger. You can find it on the Play Store. It's a powerful tool that lets you send ADB and fastboot commands via USB OTG. I transferred all the files downloaded on that phone to this phone and saved them in a folder. Now, connect the 2 phones using your OTG adapter. Once they're linked, Bugjaeger should pop up a notification asking for permission to access the USB device. Hit OK. Now, navigate to the Fastboot tab in the app. It's usually the icon that looks like a lightning bolt or a small terminal. This is where we will flash those 4 image files we downloaded earlier. This part requires focus. We're going to flash the boot, DTBO, recovery, and VB meta partitions. In Bugjaeger, you'll select the flash image option from the menu. First, select the boot image file from your storage. The app is essentially executing fastboot flash boot and select boot.img file, hit enter. You'll see the progress bar moving, and once it hits 100%, done. Next up is the DTBO image. Here, we're running fastboot flash DTBO and select dtbo.img file. This handles the device tree overlays, ensuring the hardware talks to the software correctly. Third, we have the VB meta. This is absolutely crucial for bypassing those verified boot checks. The command here is fast boot flash vbmeta and select vbmeta.img file. Seriously, if you skip this, the phone might refuse to boot a custom OS or get stuck in a verified boot loop. Finally, let's flash the recovery image by running fast boot flash recovery and select recovery.img file. This replaces your stock recovery with the custom Evolution X recovery, which gives us the apply update and sideload features we need for the very last step. Now, type fastboot boot and select recovery.img file. Again, this will automatically boot the phone into recovery. You can do this manually if you want. Now that the recovery is flashed, use the volume keys on your target phone to highlight recovery mode and press power to select it. You should see the Evolution X recovery logo appear. It looks awesome, doesn't it? Before we install the ROM, select apply update and then apply from ADB. Your phone is now waiting for the ROM file to be pushed from the other device. Back on our master phone in Bugjaeger, go to the ADB section and select sideload. Pick that large ROM zip file, the one that's a few gigabytes in size. The transfer will begin. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't touch the cable. If the connection breaks now, you'll have to start over. On your target phone, you'll see text scrolling by, indicating that the system, product, and vendor partitions are being updated. It might look like it's stuck at 47% or 94%. Don't worry, that's just how ADB reports progress. Wait until it says success or total X for 1.00x. Once it's finished, the recovery might ask if you want to install additional packages like Magisk or add-ons. For now, just select no. Now we need to select Format Data. Go to Factory Reset and select Format Data/Factory Reset. This wipes the encrypted partitions so the new Android 16 system can write its own. Once that's done, go back to the main menu, hit Reboot System Now, and let the anticipation build. The first boot always takes the longest because the system is building the cache. If you see the Evolution X boot animation, congratulations, you've successfully moved to Android 16. Let's skip through the initial setup real quick to see the goods. Look at this UI. It's clean, it's snappy, and the animations are buttery smooth. Let's head into settings greater than about phone. There it is, Android version 16. You've got the latest security patches, the new quick settings redesign, and all the customization options that make Evolution X the king of ROMs.